Sike imini yesabatha ke mayibe ngcwele kubona bonke. Yeah man, I told you, I promised you ukuthi ke usuku namhlanje we do have Furah Dread esinaye kulona kusuku. Yeah, we usually do have yena ke uFurah whenever he has a new song noma ke anything athe way release akalaza lenza iphutha ukuthi ke angabi nathi. He is from Ebizana, so today we do have him noma ke ikanjani. I told you na last week ukuthi ke sizokwazi ukuthi ke sibe naye Furah. Greetings my brother, how are you doing?
Greeting in the name of FURAH Music, FURAH Love, hashtag 2021. Yes, I'm good.
Yes, sir, you are good. I can see you are right. You are feeling well as well. Yeah. So, what's up? What are you doing? How are you feeling? What are you up to kuzona ke lezi nsuku nje zikhona? It's been a long time singakaze ke sibe ndawonye.
Hayi noko into sihamba kakuhle noko empilweni. Umuntu saphilile kodwa ke maniqale nibulise kuba phulaphuli be Radio Sunny South. Yes, kuba kuyo yonke indawo nasebhizana na international apho ifikelela khona iRadio Sunny South kuyo yonke indawo.
Yeah.
Yes, aya.
Thanks my brother. Kumnandi kuba now last time we were together, there was a song that we keepileke, I Heart Is Smart. That song, how is it doing? Injani ngoma yakho?
Heart Is Smart. Hayi wenza kakuhle kakhulu nokho. Wenza kakuhle kakhulu. Benimkhuphe last year yena. Belandela People Must Stop benimkhuphe last year ngo 30 June. Yeah, benseke sapromote yena nangoku. Yes, hayi uyadlala uhamba kakhulu nase kuma radio station. Hayi kusahamba kakuhle kakhulu even na international. Yeah, the song has got so many love and so many listeners.
Yeah, you love being
all
international.
Over the world.
Yes, you love being international. So, how many countries just go to ukudlala kona noma ingoma yakhe yazwakala kona international?
Yo, so many countries.
Yeah, how many?
Let's just say continents. Let's talk about continents. I think in all 7 continents.
Yeah, yeah,
Nigeria, Africa, Kenya is Nigeria, Zambia, US, England. All countries hide, even on the island.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah, I've seen
and the
it.
song has once been a hit song on the radio station. I think it's 5 times.
Yeah,
in a week.
Yeah, which radio?
At Radio Mix.
Yeah.
From Macedonia, New Macedonia,
yeah, I know,
in
New
Europe.
Macedonia, I know.
And another one in England at Upside.
Yeah.
Upside Radio. Yeah. Nobody sayikhumbule kakuhle uyipela kakuhle. And also in which one? In Belgium.
Yeah.
And Belgium it was Radio Pietro. That language. I don't know how to spell that name.
I know language is but I've seen it kade itrenda kakhulu. So I want to give abantu ke that song of Heart Is Smart kuyona ke last one uthe wayikhipha. Ngisafuna ukwazi ukuthi ke when are we going to hear a new one from this one so but let's go to it. You hear it my brother. You heard it from the first time uqala ukizwa lengoma. It was here with the South. Is it?
Yes, yeah. I think it's the first time I dropped the song here.
Yeah, and it came here.
Yeah.
It's Furah Dread. We have Heart Is Smart. So you can even follow yours and hear yours. What is it saying to you? And it's also good to know what transpired it. It's 97.0 FM. You are singing along to it. The heart is mine. The heart is smart. It's hard to find true love. Yeah. I passed there going down ngabona ukuthi bahle abantu besifazane la ngaphandle but to find love it's very hard. Let's do.
Yes,
So le ngoma le isuke laphi this song?
This song,
Yeah.
this song, Heart is Smart, it's talking about love, which is something difficult to find it. So it talk about a true love that is hard to find. So people in life, they want to be loved.
Yeah.
Yeah, but most of the time they meet with wrong people. Yeah, someone will think I got the right person.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go far with this relationship. I'm gonna get married. I'm gonna go far. But at the end, someone will be stressful, break up, and all of that. And some people are killed by the people who they think they are in love with.
Yeah.
Yeah, who's supposed to love them. So
Yes, sir.
this song is talking about two things: love, and which is hard to find, and then the result of getting the wrong love.
Yes.
Like people fight for the other people,
Yeah.
and the next day you hear that they broke up, but they were she was or he was fighting for her.
Yeah, I get you. I get
Yes,
you
I-
very well. So when
yeah.
can we get in comment?
And I think it's gonna take a time. Yeah, because after I recorded Heart is Smart on 4 June,
Yeah.
and then I released it on 30 June. Around September, I was thinking of releasing the new song.
Yeah.
Yeah, but since there was a lockdown first, that
yeah.
makes us hard to
To survive and make
To
some music.
new music and promoting it.
Yeah.
So I was on the break at that time until this year when I was thinking I will release the song. But another thing that makes me to take so long to release a song is that I'm also doing the film.
Oh yeah.
So my focus now is
It's on TV.
on film.
It's on
Yes,
TV.
we can say on TV.
Yeah, you like a camera.
Yeah,
Yeah. I
but
get
it's
you.
on film right now, which I will finish it maybe next year. I think it's my last year now, so I will get into the film industry. So yeah,
We'll get a
I
new
think
song at some other time when you
I'll
usukwazi
I'll
ukucabanga
keep on,
kahle so lesikhathi kahle.
yes, I will
Yeah.
keep on maybe releasing one single at a time, one
Yeah.
single at a time, because I have no more time to focus on
Right,
music
yeah.
right now since the beginning of this year.
Yeah. I get
Yeah,
you.
and also I was doubting that I'm gonna promote the song very well if I record it this year, because I also at school I also use the many things at school to promote my music.
Okay.
Like it's where you get a Wi-Fi most of the
Yeah.
time, and I wasn't attending the school from. I think I started late to attend the school.
So it's gives you a problem.
Yeah, so it was gonna be a problem in promoting the song. That's why I decided, okay, let me stop doing music or not release the song, because it can end up on not being promoted very well. Yeah, like other previous songs, because
Times are hard,
all other
yeah.
songs were getting more promotion.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, isikhathi zinzima kusafana before. Things
Yes,
are not
I-
like that. Yeah, because I want you to remind us your first song. Which was it your first song la Furah Dread eqala ukubhala umculo we-reggae and eqala ukubhala ingoma?
My first song was Smoking.
Yeah.
Smoking was released in 2017. It was my first song on 28 February 2017. Yeah, it's when I recorded my first song, which was Smoking. Then the song was out. Then I started promoting it both locally and internationally. So yeah, I think it was my first song.
Yeah, let's hear it. I want to remind people about it.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we don't need to forget where we're from.
Yeah, are you smoking?
Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I sleep sometimes.
Let's get the
Ganja.
fire burning.
Yes, I am.
Smoking is dangerous. Dangerous to smoke the cigarette. Smoking is dangerous. Dangerous to smoke the cigarette. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. I don't know why to smoke cigarette is legal. They smoking in the street, but policemen don't take them. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking is dangerous. Dangerous to smoke the cigarette. Smoking is dangerous. Dangerous to smoke the cigarette. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking, it's better to leave marijuana. Smoking, it's better to leave.
Yeah, man, it's 97.0 FM, Radio Sunny South. It's where the heat is on. We keep the fire burning, giving you reggae music 45 after 7, 15 before 8. That is your time. We still have Furah Dread. What's a pizana? What's a pizana, my brother?
And kwasebhizana kwilala ekuthiwa kwandunge.
Oh, Kwandung.
Kwandunge.
Okay,
Uphuma nje ebhizana uthi uhambe ngase police station shone pha. Uhambe uyophumela uhambe ehlathini uhambe uyophumela kwandunge.
How many times have you said endleleni? Ekuvimba.
Hayi kanikaze ke ndivijwe ngamaphoyisa.
Because I have neighbors, so niyasebenzisana kangcono.
Yeah. Nangona nje akandibuza ngenye imini pha ngifike ku-radio station. No man, kwi-police station.
Yeah.
Sendibhuda nge-radio station.
Yeah.
Kuba ndikwi-radio station.
Yeah, I get you.
Ndiselayinini pha. Ndathi xa sekufika mna kathiwa hayi siye lantshini ngoku. Uyayazi laa nto ulayini uthi xa umde.
Hey, kade ubambekile.
Umuntu afike asuka ahambe. Ngeli xesha sekufika wena. Athi hayi ndiye lantshini kudala ndisebenza ngoku. Hayi ndathi ngeke unokwazi ukuhamba elantshini ngosekufika mna. Why uhamba ngosewubona mna? Kathiwa hayi awunoyithetha loo nto. Siye lantshini ngokudala silapha not xa kufika wena.
Yeah.
Ndakhalaza ke lithi ke ngoku eliphoyisa. Hey, uyayibhema intsangu.
Hey.
Thena ubonakala ungathi uyayibhema intsangu nje. Uyayibhema. Ngelo xesha ke khona iganje yayilapha ebhokwethweni ndinikwe ngomnye urasta.
Yo.
Omnye urasta khona pha ibhizana.
Yeah.
Ndiyaqonda bilapha ke ngoku ndithi ya ndiyayibhema nantsa ndiyaqonda ikhona nyani qha bacimba ndiyajoka kabantu. Ya ndithi nantsa apha epokothweni ikhona. Hayi labe lisijokela nje elipholisa labe laqhubeka lathi hayi mandiyisa. Yesa lasinika into zami lasicertify. Lathi emva kwako mandihambe.
Yeah, it's a nice story. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So kube siyakulindela from you kusukela ke njengamanje, like you said ukuthi ke now and then you will release maybe ama single of izingoma. Ikuphi okunye singakulindela from Furah Dread?
kunganga masingili azolandela bendirehesa mos apha kwezinyanga zigqithileyo.
Yeah.
Ndiyacinga uba ukubikhona ingoma endisazoyikhupha ukubikhona nje kulo nyaka uba endisazoyikhupha. I don't know when. Yeah, but kodwa ndijonge ixesha eli endikhona ngalo phaa eThekwini. But I think this year ispace so kuba ndirecord and promote ingathi andisenaso. But into endicinga uba ndizobe ndikuyo kakhulu kuwafilimu kakhulu. Yeah, from next year ngoba ndizobe ndiphindele ngapha e-Eastern Cape. So xa ndise-Eastern Cape hayi ndizobe ndizama ukuzama ukuthatha amashansi kumafilimu.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah. So ngifuna ukuqonda ukuthi these films, it's short film, what are you wenzani ku-TV?
Yeah, ndenza kwifilimu, i-producing, ndiya-actor, ndiyabhala. Yeah, sikhona nje ko-YouTube apho ndi-actor khona nakhona xa usearch uFurah Dread siyavela i-short film endisi-actor phaya. Yeah, ezinye ke ndisiprodusayo ke hayi andizigcini ngezona xa undiproducer. Ndiyaproducer nje wenze loo nto. Yeah, but zifilimu ezikhona kodwa ke nisazokwenza eze-industry ngoba ezo ngezesikolo ezo safuna ukwenza eze-industry khona ngapha e-Eastern Cape ngoba ndifuna ukuphinda khona ndihambe ndiyophakamisa i-Eastern Cape khona.
So seThekwini kakhulu manje?
Yeah, ndiseThekwini nje kangoku but next year sizawuphinda khona ngapha e-Eastern Cape.
Uphinde ekhaya?
Yeah, ngoba kulapho kwakuba ndingene apha kwafilimu ndandincediswe khona phaa kwa-Eastern Cape ikhampani nje ngathi art and culture. Yeah, iphantsi kwe-art and culture yakhona. Yayingabo ababendithathile bandisapha kwifilimu. But yonke loo nto ibisukela kwi-music uba ndiyi-artist. So kwayi-choice yam uba ndandithanda ngandaqhubeka no-music. But hayi ndaqonda uba okay mandiqhubeke nefilimu ngoba naphaa i-film office phaa khona phaa e-Eastern Cape basebendifaka kwafilimu. Yeah, bandibona ubana hayi ifilimu ndiyayithanda ngoba nok-actor into endandiyithanda nakhona bathi hayi bandifaka apha kwafilimu ngoba babadinga abantu abenza amafilimu kakhulu.
I get you. We still have plenty time. Sisazohlala nawe nje my brother.
Yeah.
I don't know what is happening to my throat, but let's go to music because this is what you are here for. We have Furah Dread osukwini lo namhlanje. But for now, here is Natural Black. We are black, is it?
Yeah, Natural Black from that country. Which country? Trinidad.
Yeah.
No, Haiti. But on that island.
Yeah, those islands.
Yeah, but he's not from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but
he's from
it's
those
got some
islands.
nice music.
Yeah.
Sure. This one is saying revolution. As of water this year.
Hey, I.
That's why the whole of them pass. Never in the dark. Must come to light. And no matter how you smart or clever, to make no sense from your not live right. Listen up, I will leave this place. I can sense a revolution. Violence is the place. Everywhere we go a pollution. Hear that? I will leave this place. Must come to light, no matter how you smart or clever. from your not live right. Listen up, I will leave this place. Yes, I can sense it, revolution, passion, violence, disease, the place. Everywhere me go, a pollution, hear that? I will leave this place. I get much harder, violence, disease, the place. Come on, talk about new world order. Listen up, I will leave this place. I can sense it, revolution, passion, violence, disease, the place. Everywhere me go, a pollution, hear that? I will leave this place. To get much harder, violence, disease, the place. Come on, talk about new world order. I'm gonna leave this place. Revolution, violence, disease, the place. Never in the dark. Must come to light. No matter how you smart, never.
Tell them say boy your prince. Toolie tools. La Furah and the Gully Prince. Not the baddest combination. Right on a real reggae on the scene. Spiella. Only Rastaman down the line will make it till the end of time. Woman on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. Fireman down the line will make it till the end of time. The man on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. We've been doing this ever since we born. Rastaman no play, Rastaman a chanting. Ever since we've been doing what is right, we are know. Rastaman no taking no alcohol. Rastaman a staying away from the cigarettes and anything that burn on the lungs. Rastaman a burning the cheese, staying away from tobacco. Only Rastaman down the line will make it till the end of time. Congo man on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. Fireman down the line will make it till the end of time. Bingy man on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. We've been surviving ever since we've been doing what is right. And the Rastaman against it. Rastaman the one who been praying. Rastaman a carrying the Bible, reading the Psalms, knowing and all we got to do is to make it. Staying focused. Oh, Rastaman are always positive. Only Rastaman down the line will make it till the end of time. Come on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. Fireman down the line will make it till the end of time. The man on the grind, I'm the only man to survive. Rastaman no vote, Rastaman a burning the hole is a politician. Me tell them say, no Rastaman a keeping the keys, no Rastaman a keeping the Sabbath. You know, Rastaman a only man who always stay vegetarian. No Rastaman a be the one always taking care of the children. No Rastaman a be the one who's always caring for the elders. No Rastaman a who don't you know we say home of peace. No come, we always praising them.
This is one of summer nominees ka 2021, summer 26, yeah? Was it summer 26 or summer 27? But again, we are not there. We are giving you reggae music. I told you we do have roots reggae, and we all have the kind of music you wish you can hear. Kulona-ke usuku lwa namhlanje. We are skanking and chanting.
People must stop abusing Adam. This went
That's what God wished to be. Selassie I told us to unite. This world must be one. Stop, 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 stop. People must stop. Stop, 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 stop. People must stop. People must stop. Stop abusing other. People must stop. Stop abusing other. People must stop. Fast and fight. Must stop killing each other. Unity is a must. Living as one, that will make us free. Stop, 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 stop. People must stop. Stop, 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 stop. People must stop. People must stop. Stop abusing other. People must stop. Stop abusing other.
Yeah, man, the message is clear. It's very simple. You can hear it even yourself. There's nothing to explain or to chaza more about it. That's how I might say. People must stop abusing each other. We still do have Furah Dread. Come on, I call come up. As Furah Dread. Did it come up?
Oh, the name Furah Dread
Yeah, man.
is from Fundile.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's taken from Fundile. So some people like to call me Furah. Yeah, and some like to call me with my other names. Igama lami lesiteketiso. Kakuthiwa ngithutha ke, but the one Furah Dread is from Fundile, which is also a Swahili word, which means joy. But yeah, but for Swahili, it's something that I founded after I got this name, because I took the name from Furah Dread. So they call me Furah, and then I decided, okay, if they call me Furah, when I go on stage, like my stage name, I decided, okay, I will call myself Furah Dread. Yes,
Okay,
not
yeah.
actually not Furah,
Yeah.
because Furah is Fura. So I added H, because when you call it, you just say Furah Dread. Yeah,
I
those
get
are the
it.
two words. Atimene la magama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, on this song we just heard it. People must stop abusing each other. So have you seen abuse? What happened? What led you to support the song?
Yeah, abuse into ekhona eningi kakhulu
Yeah.
apha emhlabeni, and ke kuyaqaqamba kakhulu ke apha eminyakeni. Kuthethwa nge-child abuse, kuthethwa nge-women abuse, gender based violence, nawo kodwa amadoda la la abuse-wayo, ngoba khona nawo abuse-wayo. So abantu abaninzi ixesha elininzi baye bajonge ukuba
On one side.
abantu aba-abuse-wayo ngabantwana nabantu basetyhini, but even naba namadoda la. Yeah, so bendijonga ilizwe ngendlela lelo ime ngayo, ukuba hayi i-abuse into ekhona. Ngapha kuzothethwa ngoba kulinyazwa umntwana, ngapha kubulewe umuntu wesifazane. So ya le ngoma lena ibisenzelwe ukunqanda loo nto i-abuse, uba mayithi ukuthotha kancinci. Ewe, abantu baphile ngokukhululeka, because that's what God wants. He wants people to be free.
We are in a free country indeed. As well.
Yes.
So we must be free anytime, any day.
Yeah, people must stop abusing other people.
Yeah, I get you. It's 97.0 FM radio. That is why we are giving you reggae music. We have Furah Dread also kwinikelwa namhlanje. He is from Epizana. You can send me your selection, my better selector, kwinombolo ngu-073 417 1163 073 417 1163. I've just made you
down this road, but you hear this road, it might be said, oh my children,
Okay.
living
Alright, that is swap live now.
believe it,
That's what we're going
signs come down,
Mnandi kwi-selfie.
Okay, man. Sekhaya manje. Ngibheke first uqome lapha ngusibone
I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah.
vele hard.
I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah.
Engisondela kanje ukuze nginiveze kanje.
Africa, I preach. Down, 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 down in India. Down, 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 down in Chinese land. I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah.
Vele ayizibulayo vele.
I'm not ashamed of the gospel of Jah. I'm gonna preach the gospel of Jah. Mama, oh, mama,
Ngiqale manje.
great man of Jah, Peter and
It's 97.0 FM, Radio Sunday Sound. This is where the hit is on. You are hearing a song from Xhosa Language, I'm Not Ashamed of the Gospel of Jah. Yes, we are here to preach it. We are here for it, the Gospel of Jah. Greetings to you. The Sabbath has begun. Kubona bonke abagcina imini yesabatha. Sithi ke imini yesabatha ke mayibe ngcwele kubona bonke. Yeah man, I told you, I promised you ukuthi ke usuku namhlanje we do have Furah Dread esinaye kulona kusuku. Yeah, we usually do have enake uFurah whenever he has a new song noma ke anything athe wayirelease akalaza lenze iphutha ukuthi ke angabi nathi. He is from Epizana, so today we do have him noma ke ikanjani. I told you last week ukuthi ke sizokwazi ukuthi ke sibe naye uFurah. Greetings my brother, how are you doing?
Greeting in the name of FURAH Music, FURAH Love, #2021. Yes, I'm good.
Yes, sir, you are good. I can see you are right. You are feeling well as well. Yeah. So, what's up? What are you doing? How are you feeling? What are you up to? Kuzona ke lezi nsuku nje sikhona. It's been a long time singakaze ke sibe ndawonye.
Hayi noko into sihamba kakuhle noko empilweni. Umuntu saphilile kodwa ke maniqale ndibulise kuba phulaphuli be Radio Sunny South. Yes, kuba kuyo yonke indawo nasebizana na international apho ifikelela khona iRadio Sunny South kuyo yonke indawo.
Yeah.
Yes, aya.
Thanks my brother. Kumnandi kuba now last time we were together, there was a song that we keep like Heart is Mad. That song, how is it doing? Injani ngoma yakho?
What is smart? Hayi wenza kabuhle kakhulu nokho. Wenza kabuhle kakhulu. Benimkhuphe last year yena. Belandela People Must Stop benimkhuphe last year ngo 30 June. Yeah, benseke sapromote yena nangoku. Yes, hayi uyadlala uhamba kakhulu nase radio station. Hayi usahamba kakuhle kakhulu even international. Yeah, the song has got so many love and so many listeners.
Yeah, you love being international.
Yes,
you love being international. So, how many countries just go to kudlala khona noma ingoma yakhe yazwakala khona international?
Yo, so many countries.
Yeah, how many?
Let's just say continents. Let's talk about continents. I think in all 7 continents.
Yeah, yeah,
Nigeria, Africa, Kenya is Nigeria, Zambia, US, England. All countries hide, even on the island.
Yeah,
Yes,
I've seen
and the
it.
song has once been a hit song on the radio station. I think it's 5 times in a week.
Yeah, which radio?
At Radio Mix from Macedonia, New Macedonia.
Yeah, I know
in
New
Europe.
Macedonia. I know.
And another one in England at Upside Radio. Yeah. Noba ngasayikhumbula kabuhle uyipela kabuhle, and also in which one in Belgium.
Yeah.
And Belgium, it was Radio Pietro,
Yeah,
that
so-
language.
yeah.
I don't know how to spell that name.
I know language inzima, but I've seen it kade ithanda kakhulu. So I want to
Yes,
give
sir.
abantu ke that song of Heart is Mighty kuyona ke last one uthe wayikhipha. Ngisafuna ukwazi ukuthi ke when are we going to hear a new one from this one. So but let's go to it. You hear it, my brother. You heard it from the first time uqala ukizwa le ngoma. It was here with Salsa, is it?
Yes, I think it's the
Yeah.
first time
Yeah.
I dropped the song here.
Yeah, and it came here.
Yeah.
It's Furah Dread. We have Heart is Smart. So you can even follow yours and hear yours. So good to get what is it saying to you. And it's also good to know what's transpired it.
Sometimes people fall in love
Ukatani.
with people
Sibhekise kanje. Injani futhi? Right. Sakubona.
Yeah, isandibona.
Uyibhekise kakhulu kuleyo. Mina ngithanda ikamera kakhulu mina.
Oh, ithanda kakhulu.
Hayi kamera ke
their
kamera.
hearts
Awuzobe siguquke yabo.
Okay.
Yeah, ngikutshela manje.
and their minds. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. They fight for them, thinking it's true love. Really is false love. They start by thinking before they fall in love. They can't just fall in love without start by thinking. That's why I say heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise, but it's very hard to feel false love. Heart is smart, but it's difficult to find true love.
It's 97.0 FM. You are singing along to it. The heart is mine. The heart is smart. Which it's hard to find true love. Yeah. I passed there going down. Ngabona ukuthi bahle abantu besifazane la ngaphandle but to find love. It's very hard. Let's do.
Yes,
So
sir.
le ngoma le isukela phi song?
This song,
Yeah.
Heart is Smart, it's talking about love, which is something difficult to find it. So it talk about a true love that is hard to find. So people in life, they want to be loved.
Yeah.
Yeah, but most of the time they meet with wrong people. Yeah, someone will think I got the right person.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go far with this relationship. I'm gonna get married. I'm gonna go far, but at the end, someone will will be stressful, break up, and all of that. And some people are killed by the people who they think they are in love with. Yeah, who's supposed to love them. So this song is talking about two things: love